morning, dears. Last class we have completed question number 1 from exercise 6D. Look at question number 2. Here it says, given the universal set is x, where x belongs to whole number which is up to equal to 0 and greater than 0 to up to 20 and less than 20. So it goes on up to 20. Then it says set A is a x where x is odd numbers less than 20. So what are the odd numbers we have? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Set B is a factor of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. These are the factors of 18. Then C is a multiple of 3 less than 20. So what can be the multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. So already we have written the members of universal set, set A, set B, and already we have written the members of set A, set B and set C. Now we have to represent this in a Venn diagram. How to construct the Venn diagram now? Now we can see there are members common between A, B and C. So what to do with that? We have to find it for our own convenience. What can we see? A union B. That is, what are the things common? No, sorry, intersection one only, because we have to put some common. These are the overlapping sets. So A union B, we have 1, 3, 9. B intersection C, we have 3, 6, 9 and 18. These are the B intersection C. Now A intersection B intersection C, or A intersection C, we have 3, then there is no 6, 9, then 15, is it? Now what can we see? This 3, 9, 3, 9 and 3, 9 is everywhere common, is it? So that is not asked, it is not asked, that is for our own convenient we are finding. Now how to construct the Venn diagram? We'll draw a big rectangle here, or big square you can say, which will represent, this is set A, this is set B, and maybe something is common everywhere. So this is set C. Now what are the things we can see? This is set A, this is B and this is C. What are the things we have common in A, B, C all? That is 3 and 9, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. So this common portion will be representing 3 and 9. Other than 3 and 9, what is common between A and B? That is 1. Now what is common between, other than 3 and 9, what is common between B and C? That is 6 and 18. So this portion is for B and C. So here I am writing 6 and 18. Now what is common between A and C other than 3 and 9? That is 15. So this portion I write 15. Okay? Is it? That we have seen now, that 3 and 9 is common everywhere. So that 3 and 9 is written in the common portion, which is in A also, which is in B also, as well as in C also. Now other than this 3 and 9, A and B, 1 was common. So I have written in the leftover portion. B and C, 6 and 18 was common. So I have written in the leftover portion, and A and C, 3, 9 and 15 was common. So 3 and 9 is already written, so 15 is written in leftover portion. Now other than these members, 1, 3, 9, 15, 1, 3, 9 and 15, I am left with 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. These are the members of set A. Anywhere you can write the members, it does not matter what is written, how to write. Now other than this, 1, 3, 9, 6, 18. 1, 3, 9, 6, 18. What I am left with? Only 2. So I have written 2 here. Now other than this, 3, 9, 6, 18, 15. 3, 9, 6, 18, 15. What I am left with? Only 12. So this 12 will be written here. So this is now no use. You can rub it or you can leave it also. Does not matter. And this is universal set. Other than this, all members, what I am left with? I am left with 0 and 20. These are not there. Other than all these numbers are there. No, more are not there. 4. Is it? 4 I have not taken anywhere. 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is there. 6 is there. 7 is there. 8 is not there. 8 is there? No, no 8. 8, 9, 10. 10 is not there. So there are many members which is other than this, is it? Whole number means all the numbers. Then 4, 8, then 9, 10 I did not get. So 10, 11 I have got, 12 I have got, 13, 14 I have not got. So 14, 15 is here, 16 I have not got. 16, 17 is here, 18 is here, 19 is here, 20 already I have written. So these are the members in universal set which will be other than the set ABC. In the answer they have not written, but you must write it because we have to represent this as Venn diagram, is it? Now what did they say? Let me check it first. Draw the Venn diagram to represent this sets. Okay, we can write the other than this sets, which are the other than members of set A, B and C will be writing outside. Okay. So like that we solve question number 2. Now question number 3, you have to draw the set Venn diagram and then you have to represent the following which is there. Or maybe in the next day's class we'll do 3 and 4. Okay. So you leave it up to question number 2. If there is a doubt you can ask me in comment box. Thank you.